Vectors are those physical quantities which have got magnitude as well as direction. In order to add the two vectors, we have certain laws like triangle law, like parallelogram law of vectors. What is parallelogram law of vectors? Parallelogram law of vectors. If two vectors P and Q are represented by the two sides of a parallelogram OA, OB, then the resultant is given by the diagonal OC. Look once again at the board. Vector P is represented by OA. OA is the side of a parallelogram. Vector Q is represented by OB. OB is the side of parallelogram. We say vector P is completely represented, means in magnitude as well as in, say, direction. And Q, it is also completely represented in magnitude as well as in direction, because vector must possess magnitude and direction. So vector R is the resultant vector. You know what is the resultant vector? Resultant vector is a single vector which produces the combined effect of number of vectors. So vector R is the resultant vector. Now how to find the magnitude of R? Well, students, remember one thing. When you talk about the magnitude of the vector, it means that you have to find the only magnitude. You will not talk about its directions.